press kits, collateral samples.
Okay po.
Alright, I think we're ready. Good luck, team. Open the doors.
Okay po. Let's go!
Hello, sir. ETA, please.
Copy po.
Thank you again. And by the way, looking good, Doc Almazan. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Hello, Miss Sarah. ETA niyo.
Sir, na-delay yung flight ng mga VI. Ng mga AFAM. Inabot kami ng rush hour dito sa Rose Boulevard eh.
Hi, Doc Ralph. Belated happy birthday. Nako, don't worry. Be the best tayo, hindi ba? Okay, lipo kayo dyan sa may Apolinario Street. Hi, Miss Sheila.
Ayan. Apolinario, liko daw tayo dito.
Hindi kayo aabot sa dulo. Okay, liko kayo dyan sa may eskinita. Hello, Dr. Tan. How was Tokyo?
Doon daw, sa kanto.
Nice photos. Enjoy the night. Salamat po. Okay, tapos kaliwa kayo dyan sa may Fuente Street. Kapag nakarating na... Steph, okay ka lang?
Po,
Okay ka lang?
yes, okay.
Okay. Thank you. Tapos kanan kayo, tapos kanan ulit, tapos bago mag-stoplight, kumaliwa kayo, tapos U-turn. Oh, at sa pang-apat na kanto, kumaliwa kayo.
Doon daw, sa pang-apat na kanto.
Basta yun na yun, kailangan ko na ibaba tong phone. Okay, bye. Ingat.
Sekim 1, GPS 0. Di kaya AI Sekim?
Sekim, this is beyond the crisis. This is Armageddon. This is doomsday realness.
Sir Walt, relax. Zen. Breathe in, breathe out.
Paano ko makaka-zen mode? Mawawalan tayo ng license to operate.
Akong bahala. Let's go.
Isa sa mga regulators ninyo ang nag-bribe sa tao namin. For what, Doc? Para mapabilis ang approval ng bago ninyong asthma medication.
Hi, Dr. Villa. Kimberly Liwanag po.
Of course, I know you, Secretary Kim. But where's your boss?
She speaks for him. Please excuse me.
Dr. Villa, there must be a misunderstanding. We never jeopardize our approvals.
Kaya nga ako nagulat. Dahil Prime Alpha has always been diligent pagdating sa mga proseso. But we can't let this pass. The internal investigation will start tomorrow.
This is going to be a big PR disaster kapag nag-leak to sa press tomorrow. Ma-overshadow itong launch.
More than that, mapapasara ang Prime Alpha dahil sa pag-bribe ng tao nyo.
I'm sure wala pong kinalaman dito si boss.
The Food and Drug Board values our relationship with BMC. That's why I'm here to personally tell him about this fiasco.
Please let us take action first bago niyo po ituloy ang internal investigation. We'll handle this first thing in the morning, resubmit the proper documents, and nahanapin po namin yung tao na nag-bribe sa tao ninyo.
Secretary Kim, this is an urgent matter. If this is a delaying tactic...
Bro, how's your chopper ride? Hindi naman kaskasero yung driver?
Hindi po. We're willing to cooperate and take legal action against that person to make sure they're answerable for their wrongdoing. And we'll also make sure na hindi na ito mangyayari ulit sa Prime Alpha because we do not tolerate corruption here.
Ay bro, nagmerienda ka na ba? Masarap yung carbonara doon sa bar with peppermint tea. Or, bro, yung buhok mo. Wag mo.
are you talking about? I look perfect.
If hindi po namin magawa by tomorrow, then you're free to investigate us. If necessary, revoke our license to operate.
Deal.
Thank you. Thank you po.
No wonder Kim has done it again. Kasi niya yung license ng company.
Second to Crisis Zero.
Impeccable as always, boss.
Any problems?
PMC. Kasi yung...
Amateurs ba ang nasa team ko or the best of the best?
Everything's under control, boss. Thanks to Secure.
Who do I need to fire?
Dr. Emerson's waiting on us.
Go ahead.
Boss, ito nga pala yung mga sasabihin mo mamaya. Baka
Brandon! Brandon! Baby! Baby! Why are you late? I've been dying to see you.
I'm never late. This is the exact time that I have to be here.
Well, late ka sa greeting ng birthday ko. You forgot, no?
Birthday. Of course I did not. It's nice.
I know. I expected something pa like, bibigyan mo ako ng flowers.
nasa kotse. Kukunin ko lang. Sige. Hindi, bibili ang bulaklak. Babili ko kaagad, ha? Kaya mo na dito. Sige. Bakit bibili ang bulaklak? Hello, Miss Sarah?
Girl, kasi sinira niyo yung teleprompter para sa speech ni BMC. Nasira, hindi ko sinasadya yun.
Oh, sige, kalma lang kayo, ha? Pabalik na ako. Okay, go.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the launch of Heartex. May I introduce to you our young and dynamic boss. He basically grew up with the company, handled the marketing department even before his postgraduate studies abroad. A guiding force in all of us in this company. The vice chairman, CEO, and marketing consultant of Prime Alpha Pharma. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Brandon Manansala Castillo.
That's my baby! Brandon! Go, Brandon!
evening, everyone. Prime Alpha Pharma's vision is to be the most trusted healthcare partner in the world. And to be trusted, we always strive to give our best. That is why we are fully committed to giving you the best and finest healthcare possible. By launching our latest medication, Heartex. In the year 2000 alone, the prevalence of hypertension is at 26% globally. By 2025, this could increase by 29% more. To those of you that didn't know, hypertension-related stroke is the top cause of mortality in the Philippines, which makes this medical condition not just concerning, but makes it a major health crisis.
Thanks, Wonder Kim, for saving the day.
Be the best yarn.
Thank you to my sweet baby.
Please edit the caption. May typo yung Heartex launch.
Thank you. Thanks, Brian. Did you think darating ako sa event without my speech memorized?
Boss, may mga nirevise lang po kasi doon na...
Easy peasy. Or did you forget how good I am?
After 9 years, sabi ko nga po, perfect po kayo.
I know. You didn't have to personally buy those flowers.
Para hindi na rin po kayong ulitin. Tsaka effective naman po yung antihistamine natin. In 15 minutes, allergy alis.
Good job.
Pina-check ko na sa HR lahat ng regulatory officers.
Good. There's no room for bribery in Prime Alpha. Malinis ang business natin, and I intend to keep it that way.
Speaking of business, boss, resignation letter ko po.
Why?
For personal reasons, boss. But don't worry, magiging part pa rin po ako ng selection process and I'll make sure na makakapag-turn over din po ako ng maayos.
Okay.
Okay po?
Yeah. Okay.
Sabi po.
Did you expect me to stop you?
Hindi naman po. Hindi naman po sa ganun. Good job, Self. Nagpaglaban mo yung sarili mo. Good job.
Oh, dito na bahay namin. Tara, Ninja Boy, laro tayo.
Hanap na ako sa amin eh. Pasok ka na.
Mag-promise ka muna.
Oo, promise. Maglalaro pa tayo.
Hindi, ikakasal tayo.
Ha? Ba't ako?
Basta, ayoko ng iba. Gusto ko ikaw. Promise mo ikakasal tayo. Kung di ako papasok sa loob.
Sige na nga. Kulit mo eh.
Promise?
Promise. Wait ka lang, Ninja Boy, ha? Malapit na ako magka-time. Mahanap din kita. Mahanap na kita.